Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a veil for either your or your friend's getting married booty. For the materials, you'll need 2 yards of white tulle, a pink feather clip, a hot glue gun, and scissors. First, cut a strip of tulle, as this will be used to hold the veil together. Then bunch the tulle up the long way and fold it over itself 4 times. Tie it in the middle with the strip of tulle you cut at the beginning. Then cut the tulle on the edges that are still attached. After that, hot glue the feather clip in the middle of the veil. You can also just use a regular clip, but since this is flamingo themed, I went with a pink feather clip. Then fluff the tulle to make it look fuller. And that's it! It's so easy and cute, and is perfect for an outdoor bachelorette party. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching!